Assalamu alaikum grade 5. This is a summary lesson for today class, sorry. Subject is Science Learner Book, Unit 2, Life Cycle of Flowering Plant. Lesson 2.4, the part of a flower. The parts of a flower. From your learner book, page number 24. In my last class, we finished page number 24. Now we are discussing the next page, 25. And your homework for today, activity book, page number 18. From your activity book, page number 18. Let's start. First of all, learning objective. Observe that plants produce flowers that have male and female organs. And we discussed also in the class the parts of a plant. So let's start investigating the parts of a flower. I will just take a review from the previous class. This is the male part, okay? Stamen. This is the male part of a flower. And this part, female part of a flower. Pistil and pistil, and each have different parts inside it. Pistil, like this one, stigma, style, this pollen tube inside, the yellow one, this ovary and ovule, ovary and ovule, ovary here and ovule inside, small eggs, and sepal and petal, petal like flowers, and sepal taking care of the birds of a flower. And also we discussed in the previous class how to draw a flower. Draw the flower and label its part. Today class we will draw flower and label their parts. Count and record the number of petals, sepals, and stamen. Each flower have different petal, different sepals, and different stamen. And if you are counting, not same for all. Can you see a pattern? Carefully pull off the petal and sepal with a tweezer. Use a hand lens to look at the stamens and the carpel. I also showed in the show the video in the class. Mark a level drawing of stamen. You can draw it, okay, like this. You can take a paper, white paper, using a pencil, put a flower, or even from the laptop. You can, okay, from the Google search engine, you just write flower parts, and then you can draw it. Just I show you like this, okay. Like this, you can draw on a white page, and then after this, label it. Which one sepal, which one stamen, which is a male part, which is a female part, and what's the name of this part. Okay, each part need to label it. Okay, so try to do at home. After this, we also solved a question answer in the class. Question number 1: name the parts of a flower that make pollen. Name the parts of a flower that make pollen. Easy. Anther, anther making pollen, anthers making pollen, anther like a powder, which is making pollen. Protect the flower birds. Protect the flower bird. I just show you this part, this one, okay, like a leaves color, the green one, the little, this one protecting the flower birds. So what's their name? Sepals. What's the function of ether? Anther making pollen, and sepal protect or taking care of the flower bird. Contain eggs. Contains egg. Which part contain eggs? Ovary. Ovary contains the egg. This is the female part of a flower. And attract insect and bird. Attract insect and bird. Or you can say their leaves of a flower. Flower's leaves. So this, what's the name of this? Petals, okay? I'm repeating: making pollen, anthers, protect the flower bird, sepals, contain eggs, ovary, and attract insects and bird, petals. Question number 2: which part of the flower do you think makes scent? Making, you can say, smell. Which part of the flower do you think makes sense? Yes, same thing. In the last question, I show you which one attracting insect and bird. Yes, obviously petal. Okay, petal, and because of their smell. Okay, because of their smell, because of their colorfulness. So it attract the birds and insects. So like this, it's also makes scent. Which part of the flower do you think makes scent? Petals. Question number three. Flowers petals are different colors. Yes, different flowers have different colors. Their petals have different colors. Flower petals are different colors. Plan an investigation or to find out which color is most common. It is upon you. If you are collecting different flower, so you can see of which color flower you are collecting. Okay, because it depends on different area. So look at different flowers. First of all, you need to collect it. Count and record the number of flowers of each color. Count and record the number of flowers of each color. Scene. Look at lots of flowers, not just a few. If you want to make a record, if you want to see different colors of the flower, so you need to collect more than 10 flowers. Okay, lot of flowers as you can collect near to your school, near to your homes. You cannot come to school, so near to your home. Okay, or near to your home. If there are any park, any garden. Okay, in the parks you will go. Different parks are there. Okay, so you just visit and collect the flowers. Okay, and after collection, then you can check their different colors. What you have learned in this lesson: flowers have four main parts. Four main parts. So you should know each function. Sepals, green sepals, protect the flower birds. Colored petals, sepal, which one protecting the flower bird. Petal, which one attracting insects. Male stamen, which will making pollen, and the female carpel. Petal, attract insect. Stamen for male, and for female carpel. Stamen making pollen, and carpel, which one containing eggs. And there is a question: why are some flowers dark, reddish brown, with a scent like rotten meat? So what do you think? Because to attract insect, any step, any kind of petals, it will give scent or any colorfulness. This is just of because attracting insect and bird. Attracting insect and bird. That's why they have color. They have different kind of smell, scent, or colorful. Okay, or maybe colorless because of they want to attract the insect. Okay, everyone, and you're at the end of your homework from your activity book. Easy, not difficult. From your homework book, activity book, page number 18. So complete it and send it to me. Okay, everyone. Take care. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.